After multiple disc re-injuries, my back would flare up just from a single sit-up. We use this gradual 360 approach to rebuild our core. Level 1 for the front, training a plank. For the side, a suitcase carry. For the back, back extension iso hold. Level 2, front, hollow body hold. Side, lateral iso hold. Back, back extension hinge reps, keeping the back flat as you lower. Level 3, front, gar hammer raise. Sides, standing or machine side bends. Back, full range back extension reps. Now our core can handle any kind of sports or training.